Your body does its deepest healing while you sleep. But here's what most people don't realize. If your arteries are clogged, that healing gets blocked. Tonight I'm going to show you 5 spice teas that work with your body's natural repair system to help clear those blockages while you rest. Let me ask you something. Do you ever lie down exhausted, absolutely ready for sleep, but your legs just won't stop throbbing? Do your feet burn like they're touching something hot, even though they're under cool sheets? Maybe you wake up at 3 in the morning with an uncomfortable pressure in your chest, or your fingers feel numb and cold every single morning, no matter how many blankets you use. These aren't random annoyances. These are signals. Your body is trying to tell you that something is happening inside your blood vessels, something that's been building quietly for years while you went about your daily life. Here's a fact that stops most people in their tracks. By the time you feel these symptoms, your arteries may already be 40 to 50% blocked. The human body is remarkably good at compensating. It finds workarounds. It pushes harder. It keeps you going even when the internal highways are narrowing. But compensation has limits. And those limits often show up first at night when you finally stop moving and your body reveals what's really happening inside. Medical research now shows that over 18 million people experience a severe cardiovascular event every year globally, and the heartbreaking truth is that most of them had symptoms exactly like the ones I just described. They felt the burning feet, the restless legs, the nighttime breathlessness. But they didn't know what these signs meant until things became serious. I don't want that to happen to you, and the beautiful reality is that it doesn't have to. Science has identified specific compounds in certain spice teas that actively support your body's ability to clear and repair damaged blood vessels. These compounds work best at night when your body naturally shifts into recovery mode. What you're about to learn could genuinely change how you feel when you wake up tomorrow morning. And the 5th tea I'm going to share, the one I saved for last, has research behind it that shocked even the scientists who studied it. If this information proves valuable to you, please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell. Your support helps this channel continue bringing life-changing research to seniors who need it most, and I promise you, every single claim I make today has real science behind it. The studies are all linked in the description below. First, let me explain why nighttime is so critical for your arteries. When you're awake and moving through your day, your body is in action mode. It's focused on immediate demands like walking, thinking, digesting food, and responding to stress. Your nervous system stays in what scientists call sympathetic mode, the fight-or-flight state that keeps you alert and ready. But when you lie down to sleep, something remarkable happens. Your body switches into parasympathetic mode. This is repair mode. Your heart rate slows, your blood pressure naturally dips, and special cellular processes activate that can only happen during deep rest. During sleep, your body releases growth hormone, which triggers tissue repair throughout your cardiovascular system. Specialized cells travel through your bloodstream, patching damage to artery walls, clearing away cellular debris, and calming inflammation that built up during the day. Your liver works overtime processing and removing excess cholesterol. Even your brain has its own cleaning system called the glymphatic system that only operates during sleep. This is when your body is designed to heal your cardiovascular system. But here's the problem. If your arteries are stiff, narrowed, and filled with sticky plaque, those repair cells can't reach where they need to go. The healing gets blocked. You wake up feeling just as tired and uncomfortable as when you went to bed. Night after night, year after year, the damage accumulates instead of being repaired. The spice teas I'm about to share contain compounds that help relax your arteries, reduce inflammation, and support smoother blood flow so your body can finally do the repair work it's been trying to do for years. Let's start with tea number 5, ginger root tea. You probably know ginger as something that helps settle your stomach. But researchers have discovered that ginger does something remarkable inside your blood vessels. It contains compounds called gingerols and shogaols that help prevent your blood from becoming too thick and sticky. Here's something fascinating about ginger that most people never learn. When you dry or heat ginger, it actually becomes more powerful for circulation. Fresh ginger contains mainly gingerols. But when ginger is dried into powder or steeped in hot water, those gingerols convert into shogaols, which have even stronger effects on blood flow. This is why ginger tea works better for circulation than eating raw ginger in your food. When blood gets thick, it moves slowly through narrow arteries. It clumps together. It struggles to deliver oxygen and nutrients to your tissues. But ginger helps keep blood flowing smoothly, almost like adding a natural lubricant to the system. A study published in the scientific journal Thrombosis Research found that ginger reduced platelet clumping by nearly 30%. The Journal of Nutrition confirmed that ginger lowers key inflammatory markers by over 20%. Research in the International Journal of Cardiology showed that ginger supports the relaxation of blood vessel walls. And here's a detail that matters for nighttime use. A study in the European Journal of Gastroenterology found that ginger accelerates stomach emptying by 25%, which means your body isn't working hard on digestion while it should be focused on repair. People who start drinking ginger tea before bed often describe a warming sensation that spreads through their body as they fall asleep. Within days, many notice their feet feel less icy. Within weeks, the restless leg sensations often calm down significantly. To make this tea, simply steep a half teaspoon of ginger powder or several thin slices of fresh ginger in hot water for 5 to 8 minutes. For maximum benefit, cover your cup while steeping to trap the volatile compounds that would otherwise escape into the air. Drink it about 30 minutes before you plan to sleep. A pleasant side effect is that ginger also prevents nighttime acid reflux, so you're less likely to wake up with that uncomfortable burning in your throat. 4 is Ceylon cinnamon tea. Now this distinction matters, so please pay attention. Regular cinnamon from the grocery store is usually cassia cinnamon, which comes from China and Vietnam. Cassia contains high levels of a compound called coumarin that can stress your liver with daily use. Ceylon cinnamon is different. It comes from Sri Lanka, contains almost no coumarin, and is sometimes called true cinnamon. It has a gentler, more complex flavor, along with more powerful health benefits, and none of the concerns about daily consumption. Inside your arteries, Ceylon cinnamon works on multiple levels. It helps relax the smooth muscle in your vessel walls, so blood can flow more easily. It calms inflammatory signals that cause arteries to become stiff and rigid. And it supports healthy blood sugar levels overnight, which matters more than most people realize. Here's why blood sugar control at night is so important for your arteries. When blood sugar stays elevated while you sleep, those excess sugar molecules attach themselves to proteins in your artery walls through a process called glycation. This makes your arteries stiff and sticky, like pipes coated with caramel. Over the years, this glycation damage accumulates and accelerates plaque formation. Cinnamon helps prevent this overnight damage by keeping blood sugar stable during the crucial repair hours. Clinical research published in the Annals of Family Medicine found that cinnamon significantly improved markers of cardiovascular health. The Journal of the American College of Nutrition reported improvements in blood vessel flexibility after regular cinnamon consumption. A study in diabetes care showed that just half a teaspoon of cinnamon daily improved fasting blood sugar by up to 29%. And research from the University of Toronto found that cinnamon slows the rate at which your stomach empties after eating, which prevents the blood sugar spikes that damage arteries. Before discovering Ceylon cinnamon tea, people often describe nights filled with tossing and turning, legs that ache no matter what position they try, and mornings where they feel more tired than when they went to bed. After adding this tea to their evening routine, many describe finally experiencing the deep, uninterrupted sleep they forgot was possible. Steep a half teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon powder in hot water for 5 minutes. You can identify Ceylon cinnamon by its thin, papery layers that crumble easily compared to cassia's thick, hard bark. Add a touch of honey if you prefer sweetness. Drink this about 30 minutes before bed. Most people begin noticing calmer legs within the first week. Tea number 3 is one that surprises people. Garlic tea. I understand if that sounds unusual or even unappetizing, but please keep an open mind because garlic has more scientific research supporting its cardiovascular benefits than almost any other food on the planet. When you steep garlic in hot water, it releases a compound called allicin. But here's the crucial detail most people miss. Allicin only forms when garlic cells are damaged, which is why you must crush or chop the garlic before steeping. If you just drop whole cloves in water, you get almost none of the beneficial compounds. Crushing breaks the cell walls and allows an enzyme called allinase to convert a dormant compound into active allicin. This takes about 10 minutes after crushing, so let your crushed garlic sit before adding hot water. This compound enters your bloodstream and goes to work immediately, helping to relax artery walls, prevent excessive blood clotting, and even help break down existing deposits on vessel walls. Garlic also stimulates your body's production of hydrogen sulfide, a molecule that signals your blood vessels to relax and dilate. The Journal of Nutrition published findings showing that garlic consumption reduced artery plaque markers by 18%. Harvard Medical School has reported on garlic's ability to support healthy blood pressure and cholesterol levels. The Journal of Clinical Hypertension found that aged garlic improved artery elasticity in older adults after just 12 weeks, and a remarkable study from UCLA found that aged garlic extract actually reduced the amount of dangerous soft plaque in coronary arteries, something very few natural compounds have been shown to do. People who overcome their initial hesitation about garlic tea often become its biggest advocates. They describe warmer hands and feet within days, easier breathing at night within weeks, and a noticeable sense that blood is finally reaching places it couldn't reach before. To make garlic tea palatable, crush 2 cloves of fresh garlic and let them sit for 10 minutes. Then steep them in hot water for 5 minutes. Add the juice of half a lemon and a teaspoon of honey. The lemon and honey transform the taste entirely while adding their own health benefits. The vitamin C in lemon actually helps preserve the alicin and makes it more stable. Drink this about 45 minutes before bed. The compounds will be circulating through your system exactly when your body enters deep repair mode. Tea number 2 is turmeric golden milk. This warm, comforting beverage has become popular in recent years, and for good reason. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin that scientists have now studied in over 15,000 published papers. The research on curcumin and cardiovascular health is overwhelming. Curcumin works as one of nature's most powerful inflammation fighters, and inflammation is the hidden driver behind most arterial damage. When your artery walls become inflamed, they get stiff. They attract cholesterol and calcium deposits. They narrow and restrict blood flow. Curcumin helps calm this inflammatory process at its source by blocking multiple inflammatory pathways simultaneously. But here's what makes turmeric truly special for nighttime use. Curcumin has been shown to cross the blood-brain barrier, meaning it can reduce inflammation in your brain while you sleep. This is why many people report not just better circulation, but clearer thinking and better memory after regular use. Your brain receives 20% of your blood supply, so when circulation improves, cognitive function often follows. A landmark study in the American Journal of Cardiology found that curcumin improved the function of the endothelium, the thin inner lining of arteries, by over 40%. This inner lining is only 1 cell thick, and its health determines whether your arteries stay flexible or become stiff. Research published in the journal Atherosclerosis showed that turmeric helps prevent the oxidation of cholesterol, which is the chemical process that turns harmless cholesterol into artery-clogging plaque. A study in the journal Nutrition Research found that curcumin was as effective as aerobic exercise at improving endothelial function, and multiple studies have confirmed curcumin's ability to support healthy blood pressure levels. People who drink golden milk before bed describe waking up with less joint stiffness, clearer thinking, and a warm, comfortable feeling in their chest that replaces the tightness they used to feel. Many say it's like their blood finally remembers how to flow properly. To make turmeric golden milk, warm a cup of milk or almond milk. Stir in a half teaspoon of turmeric powder and a small pinch of black pepper. The black pepper is absolutely essential because it contains piperine, which increases turmeric absorption by 2,000%. Without pepper, most of the curcumin passes through your body unused. Adding a small amount of healthy fat like coconut oil also improves absorption since curcumin is fat-soluble. Add honey to taste. Drink this 20 to 30 minutes before bed. The warming sensation helps you relax while the curcumin goes to work. And now we come to tea number 1, the nighttime artery cleanser that outperformed every other option in clinical studies. Hibiscus tea. This deep ruby red tea made from dried hibiscus flowers has effects that have genuinely surprised the medical research community. In head-to-head studies, hibiscus has demonstrated cardiovascular benefits that rival some of the most commonly prescribed medications with none of the side effects. The red color of hibiscus comes from compounds called anthocyanins, the same powerful antioxidants found in blueberries and red wine, but in much higher concentrations. These anthocyanins are what give hibiscus its remarkable artery-protecting properties. Hibiscus works through several mechanisms simultaneously. It helps relax the smooth muscle inside artery walls, allowing blood vessels to open wider. It acts as a natural ACE inhibitor, which means it helps regulate the system that controls blood pressure. Your body has a hormone system called the renin-angiotensin system that can cause arteries to constrict. Hibiscus gently calms this system, allowing vessels to stay relaxed. It also contains powerful antioxidants that prevent cholesterol from oxidizing into dangerous plaque. Remember, cholesterol itself isn't the enemy. It's oxidized cholesterol that burrows into artery walls and causes blockages. Hibiscus helps prevent that oxidation process, and it supports the kidneys in removing excess fluid, reducing the volume load on your heart. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that hibiscus tea significantly improved cardiovascular markers in just 6 weeks. Research from Tufts University confirmed that hibiscus relaxes blood vessels and supports healthy pressure levels. The journal Phytomedicine reported that hibiscus performed comparably to conventional treatments in controlled trials, and a study in the Journal of Human Hypertension found that 3 cups of hibiscus tea daily was as effective as some commonly prescribed medications. What makes hibiscus perfect for nighttime is that it contains no caffeine and actually has gentle calming properties. Hibiscus contains compounds that interact with GABA receptors in your brain, the same receptors that sleep medications target, but much more gently. So while it's opening your arteries and supporting repair, it's also helping you drift into the deep, restorative sleep where healing happens fastest. People who start drinking hibiscus tea before bed often describe dramatic changes. Swelling in the ankles and feet begins to reduce within days. The pounding heartbeat that used to keep them awake becomes steady and calm. Sleep becomes deeper and more refreshing. Morning energy improves noticeably because the body finally completed the repair work it had been trying to do for years. To make hibiscus tea, steep 1 tablespoon of dried hibiscus flowers in hot water for 7 to 10 minutes. The longer you steep, the more compounds you extract. The water will turn a beautiful deep red color. Add lemon and honey if desired. The vitamin C in lemon helps your body absorb the anthocyanins more effectively. Drink this 30 minutes before sleep. Here's something wonderful to consider. You can create your own nighttime circulation blend by combining these teas. Many people make a pot using hibiscus as the base, then add cinnamon and ginger. The flavors blend beautifully and the effects complement each other. Start with 1 tea for a week, notice how you feel, then gradually add others if you wish. These are your 5 natural allies for better circulation tonight. Share your choice below and sleep well. Now, because you watched until the end, I highly recommend the video on your screen. My team and I poured hours into making it, and I know you'll love it.